and fancy dog. The cat, no.
That's a dog bag.
The bat said, no.
M. What's the name of your mama?
Malik.
How about your daddy?
Emma.
How about your tita?
Said, no.
How about your tita? Huh?
Tita Marlon.
What are you going to ask Ate Le to buy for you?
Hi.
Huh?
Star.
Blue car?
Papa.
Oh, who is going to teach you how to drive?
Teacher.
Oh, Tito Rex will teach you how to drive.
Papa.
What is the color of Tito Rex's car in the Philippines?
Blue.
Red.
Red.
You forgot already?
No.
Oh, you haven't forgotten?
House is
M.
building.
M. They're asking if you're going to Philippines
Papa.
with Tita Lan.
Papa.
Mama will stay here.
Papa.
You will ride the airplane again?
Papa.
Where are you going when you go back to Philippines?
They just take you home.
Oh, Tita will take you home?
Papa.
Are you going to South Supermarket?
Papa.
How about SM?
Nice.
You like?
Papa.
Oh, you'll go shopping?
Papa.
Oh, very.
Shopping.
And what are you going to buy?
Hop.
Huh?
In this floor. And then they do that.
Oh, baby bath for MM? Very good. Where do you use the baby bath?
Happy.
But how about the shampoo?
Yeah.
Oh. Can you show me your eyes? How about your nose? Where's your nose? Where's the small nose? Can you sing the Twinkle Twinkle Little Star?
Twinkle, twinkle, little star.
How about I'm a little teapot?
Wonder what you are, Pop.
How about the little teapot?
Little teapot, search and stop. His hand, his spout, his hand, his spout, said,
Steaming, hear me out. Tip me.
Over, tip me over, pull me out.
Very good. I'm a little teapot, short and stout.
Here,
Do you miss Tito Rex?
here.
Do you wanna chat with Ate May? Ha?
Papa.
O you greet daw si Nanay Happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day. Thank you for saving us. There.